Just having some fun. Hey gang, welcome to Beater Box Friday! Yeah! Like a little Metallica accent I had on there. Hey, get this phone out of here. Yeah! Welcome to the channel, I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on the Twitter or the Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. Below that handle is my website. That's where you can find all these shoes that we're pulling out of this box today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Later on today. I don't want to say today so many times in one sentence that I want to punch myself in the face, even though that's an urge that I have constantly. Hey, thanks for returning to this channel, pals! What's a pal? Well, if you're a pal, that means you watch all these videos and have incredible amounts of free time. Hey, I appreciate it. Like I said, it's Beater Box Friday. This box comes to us from Sole Supremacy. There's lots of tape on the box. I'm pretty sure it was $1,350 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. So I walk up to the main counter of the meat department at my local Jolasco, and right there in front of me is Tam, almost anticipating my problems. He looks me right in the eyes and says, "The Bears." I say, "The Bears." Back to him. I knew right then and there that this fiasco with the Italian beefs would be taken care of in no time. For a grand total of $1,340. Hey, these boxes are priced by Sole Supremacy under market, so there's a really good chance we're gonna make some money. But go ahead and follow along with clearance. That's the name of the counter. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market, and then we're gonna break down the entire box at the end to show you how much I paid versus the estimated value of the entire box. Now keep in mind too that the prices that pop up on your screen are just the estimated fair market value, not how much the shoes are gonna be for sale for. With that being said, let's jump in and find out what's going on in here. Last week's boxes were not very good. Fridays was decent. Sundays was not good. It was not good at all, but yeah, it happens. For the amount of good boxes I've had, there's gonna be bad boxes every once in a while. Can't really complain about it because you're not gonna lose money on them unless you're a complete moron. Hey, looks like there's some more Sole gear for me to give away in here. So let's get some of that out. So looks like it's a XXL Sole Supremacy olive hooded sweatshirt, I guess. So if you wear a size XXL, this could be going to you. Find out Monday in the haul series video. Woo! All right, shoes, that's what we're doing here. So it doesn't look like there's any loose shoes. So the first shoe out, it's a red Nike box. It says a W Air Max 97 OGQS in a size 5.5, probably silver bullets. No. These are the gold Air Max 97s in a size 5.5. These are very lightly worn. These could be easily cleaned up and they'll be good to go. I mean, the swoosh is still on the insole. These are in great shape. I can't really complain about these. Not much tread has gone off of both of the bottoms, which is really cool. I am not a fan of the Air Max 97. I think looking down upon them when they're on your feet is probably one of the goofiest looking things in the world, but I know it's a very popular model. I just don't like it. So size 5.5 women's Air Max 97 in the gold colorway. First shoe out, I got a Jordan 18. These are pretty old. So it's a size 10 Jordan 18. I believe these are just called like the Game Royal Jordan 18s. There's some separation going on here. Yeah, these are beaters. These are something you'll need to be able to work some restoration magic on. I couldn't think of the word, but it is a size 10. The suede is in phenomenal shape, I will say that. It doesn't look like the Jordan 18 towel is in here. I know a lot of Jordan 18s come with this towel, but the shoes themselves are in great shape on the uppers. It just has separation on both of the outsoles. So that's kind of a bummer, but it's an old shoe. It's gonna happen. So it will definitely affect the value. But still, a lot of people love 18s. Can't really complain. Just needs a little bit of TLC. So size 10, Jordan 18, Game Royal, I think. Sport Royal. Something Royal, whatever. This box isn't looking too good to shoes in. But hey, it's still early. Let's grab this. This is a Jordan, this is a Jordan 4, size 10.5, Jordan 4 LS. It's a lifestyle. Another pair of Legend Blue 4s. I have a size 11 in great shape available now. Now I have a size 10.5. These are actually in really, really great shape. There is absolutely no star loss right there. Outsoles are super, super clean. There's no discoloration, no paint issues whatsoever. These just don't go for much. I mean, it's a very simple, clean colorway, and it's a 4, which is 2 things going for it, but just not a super popular colorway, and it doesn't have the plastic heel tab. It's like leather, so LS means lifestyle. The Oreos and something else is an LS. I don't remember what, but there you go. Really solid shape. 10.5 Legend Blue 4s. Has a hang tag. Cool. It comes with OG all. Yeah, I like how I said that like I was from Maryland. OG. There might be some crazy money shoe in here. Hey, found more Sole gear. Look at this. This is a Band LA XXL shirt. So this will be going to someone who wears XXL too. Neat. Got a size 11.5 Jordan 9. Are these dead stock? I can't tell. These might be dead stock. These are the, it's somebody's name. I can't remember it at the time. It's like an alter ego of Michael Jordan. It's gonna be on the screen right now. I do my research after these videos. I open these blindly, so sometimes I'm wrong. I'm not an expert, so I forget the name of these. I had a pair a long time ago. Okay, there's creasing, yeah. Okay, so these are worn very, very lightly though. Check it out. It's got a Sole Supremacy bumper sticker in there too. Yeah, these are in really great shape. They're just a 9, and it's a weird colorway that not a lot of people like because a lot of people like to coordinate their outfits. So there you go. Size 11.5, Jordan 9. I think Calvin Bailey, maybe? Is that it? I don't know, whatever. We have a size 10 Jordan 2. There might be 2 crazy money shoes in here. Are these the recent releases? Yeah, these are the recent retros. This is the Mellow 2s. I actually really like this colorway. I'm a huge fan of the baby blue mixed with some yellow. Definite early 90s Denver Nuggets vibes, which is very cool. This retro is like 2017, so it's pretty new. Quality is okay, I guess. Super lightly worn. It's a newer pair, so there's barely any wear on the bottom. Just need a quick cleanup. Size 10, Jordan 2 Mellow. These last 2 better be absolute bangers, because if not, oh boy. So we got a size 11 Yeezy Boost 700 V2. And they're not even dead stock. So, well, there you go. This is the V2 of the Static 700s. I have a pair of, I don't have the Static 700s. I have the, what are they called? Inertias. Not an Adidas guy, don't really care about it. So, I mean, it's a cool looking shoe, I guess. It is my size. Maybe I'll put it on and see how stupid it looks on my feet, but yeah. There you go, size 11. Static 700. This last one is an 8.5. Okay, it's a Jordan 4 retro. It is what I think it is. Okay, cool. All right, this I can get down with. Is it dead stock though? No, it's not even dead stock. Interesting. But it is a really good size. I just sold a pair of these, I think. Yeah, I just sold a pair of these for like almost 700 bucks, so. The Travis Scott Cactus Jack Air Jordan 4 Retro. I'm not gonna make fun of Travis Scott in this video because I do it in so many other videos. So, I mean, no star loss, at least I think so. Yeah, hardly any star loss. Outsoles are a little bit discolored. I mean, the uppers are not very faded or anything like that. Comes with the hang tag on the left shoe, which is good. No inserts though, so these are in great shape. I'm sure these are floating around 750 to 800 bucks right now, but could be wrong, I don't really know. Here's your last shoe, a size 8.5, Cactus Jack 4. The best of the Travis Scott releases in my opinion, and any releases that are scheduled, because I don't think those 6s are very good looking. I don't know how this box is $1,350. Let's go ahead and give it a grade in the report card though. 3 categories: condition, sizes, value. Let's do condition first. There are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 pairs of sneakers in this $1,350 Sole Supremacy beater box. None of them are dead stock. One of them needs to be restored. Being objective about how much the box cost, condition on this box is pretty meh, say about a D+. Sizes, we have 5.5, 10, 10.5, 11.5, 10, 11, and 8.5. Sizes are okay, I guess. Yeah, let's say about a B+. Value. Unless those statics have some kind of crazy amount of value that I'm not aware of, I don't really know how this box is going to be really that valuable. I mean, I really don't. I know twos don't have much value. 9s don't have much value. I'm stumped. I mean, I'm not gonna look it up and find out, but if I were to guess, value on this box, D-. So So with the grade of D plus for condition, the grade of, what I say, B plus for sizes, and the grade of D minus for value, this somehow $1,350 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a letter grade of, I'm gonna be petty, say D plus. Bad. So I'm being a big whiny baby, and I think this box really sucks. But does it? I'm gonna research right now and then show you the numbers on the screen. That's how this works. Man, I really hope I'm wrong. I haven't been this bummed about a box in a long time. Boxes have been so good for so long, and the past 3 that I've gotten have just been not great. I really usually avoid boxes over 1,000 because they're super risky, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe those statics are worth something. I don't really know. Let me know in the comments how big of an idiot I am. And then next Monday we'll give away those shirts, because what am I gonna do with them? I don't have a boat that has ripped sails or anything, so I can't do anything with them. If you're interested in any of these shoes, if they make it to the website by this Friday and they don't get sold on GOAT, they'll be available. Ransom Note sneakers, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time today, which is this Friday. I'm not actually recording on Friday because movie magic. Appreciate your time. Thanks for tuning in. I'll be back on Sunday with another box from this week. I think it was like 425, so just a little bitty guy. So thanks for watching. See you next time, and don't ruin it for everybody else. Bye!